Hi, I'm Akash from 6th grade. Today I'm going to explain about water cycle. First, the sun heats up the water in the ocean, river or sea and water vapor forms. The water vapor goes way up to the sky and dust particles form. We call it as clouds. The one cloud merges with another cloud and make a rain. This is repeated every day and every night. Hope you like it. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Akif, studying 6th grade. My project is about water boat using DC motor. Materials used are thermocol, battery, motor, fans, switch. Step to make water boat. First I connect thermocol to make boat. Next I fix battery, motor, switch on the boat. Next I connect DC motor to battery and DC motor to switch by using wires. Let's see how it works.
Hi friends, my name is P. Adishagavindra. I am studying in 6th standard. My school name is Marg Vidhyalaya. Now I am going to show you the magic with maths. You can say any 4-digit number 3 times. I can tell the answer immediately. I am having cards of numbers from this and I am going to use this to do the magic. Tell me any 4-digit number.
5, 6, 8, 7.
5, 6,
8, 7.
8, 7. 5, 6, 8, 7. 8, 7. Now I am going to write the answer. 2, can you say another 4-digit number please?
4, 2,
2,
1, 6.
2, 1, 6. Now I am going to write 4-digit number. 1 more 4-digit number please.
2, 3, 4, 1. 1.
Now I am going to write another 4-digit number. 'Now you see when adding this all number we get this answer. 7 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1 plus 8 is equal to 25. Balance 2 plus 8 10. 10 plus 1 2 plus 8 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 28. Balance 28. 8 plus 2 plus 7 plus 3 plus 6 plus is equal to 26. Balance 2. 7 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, 2 plus 7 plus 25. Thank you.
Hi ma'am, my name is Shrutika. Now I am going to do an experiment of soluble and insoluble. Let us start the experiment. First I am going to put sugar in water. Let's see if it will dissolve or not. Mix it well.
mixing the sugar, you can see that sugar is a soluble because it does not dissolve in water. Now I am going to put salt and water. Mix it well. After mixing the salt, you can see that salt is soluble because it does not dissolve in water. This is for soluble. Now I am going to do for insoluble. I am going to put some rock in the water. Now I am going to mix it. After mixing the salt, we can see that stone is insoluble because it does not dissolve in water. Now I am going to put some mud. Mix it for some time. After mixing the sand, we can see that sand is insoluble because it does not dissolve in water and left behind the bowl. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Shivani B of grade 6. My topic is fun with magnets. In this topic, I am going to tell what is a magnet, properties of magnet, applications of magnet and how to store magnet. Magnetite is a natural magnet. It was found in a place called Magnesia. A substance which is having the property to attract iron is called as a magnet. A magnet is having two poles, north pole and south pole. Materials which get attracted to magnet is known as magnetic materials. Materials which do not attract to magnet are known as non-magnetic materials. Now I will tell properties of magnet. There are three properties of magnet: attractive property, repulsive property and directive property. I will show you attractive property. In this bowl I have a matchstick, a thread, a soft sponge, a nail, pin and a needle. Let us see what material get attracted to magnet. These are magnetic materials. These got attracted to the magnet. Iron materials will get attracted to magnet. Now I will show you repulsive property. South pole and north pole attract together, but north pole and north pole repel. Now I will show you directive property. A freely suspended magnet always points to north-south direction. Applications of a magnet. In refrigerators and freezers, a tight seal is made with using magnet. A compass is an instrument which is used to find the main direction. It always points to the north-south direction. Magnets are used in televisions and headphones also. How to store magnets? Magnets will lose their properties if they are heated, hammered and dropped from some height. They should be kept with pair of unlike poles. With their unlike poles, the ball magnets must be separated by a piece of wood. Magnets must be kept away from earphones, television, CDs, etc. Hope you like my project. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Lakshya of grade 6. Today I'm going to tell you about direction of current in an electric circuit. In an electric circuit, the direction of current is taken from the positive terminal and the negative terminal of an electric cell. When the terminals of the bulb are connected with the electric cell by wires, the current flows through the filament of the bulb. This makes the bulb to glow. Materials I have taken: 9-volt battery, 1.5-volt bulb, a holder, wire, connector and a switch. Now I am fixing the bulb to the holder and connector to the battery. When I on the switch, the bulb glows. This can also be used as for methods. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Samshita. Today I am going to talk about types of pollution. Any changes in environment which result in its harmful effect is known as pollution. There are 4 types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, noise pollution. Air pollution: car emissions, chemicals from factories and dust can cause air pollution. It will damage the ozone layer. Water pollution: harmful chemicals like chemicals from factories, garbages thrown into the water bodies. This turns water into toxic water which can cause water pollution. Land pollution: industrial activities, agricultural chemicals like fertilizers and improper disposal of waste can cause land pollution. Noise pollution: exposure to elevated sound level which may cause adverse effect for humans and other organisms. World Health Organization says that less than 70 decibel is harmless. So I am requesting all to save our earth by not polluting our environment. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I'm Yuvan from 6th standard. I'm going to do an experiment using egg. Materials required: glass, vinegar and egg. Let's start doing. Pour the vinegar slowly into the container. Immerse one raw egg into the vinegar. Observe after 48 hours. Let's wait and see. After 48 hours, our egg will be like this. It can bounce and it is so spongy like this. Explanation: egg shell is made up of calcium carbonate and vinegar is a weak organic acid. When carbonate reacts with an acid, the product will be soluble salt, carbon dioxide and water. Thus the shell slowly dissolves into vinegar, so the egg is able to bounce like this. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Kavin Naresh. I am from grade 6. I am going to explain how to do a mini robotic bug. Let us see what are the things are needed to do mini robotic bug. Battery. It is a device which converts the chemical energy to electrical energy. It has two terminals, positive and negative. Switch. It has on-off controller. Resistor. It will control the voltage of the power. Motor. Half-cutted flying wheel attached to the top of the motor which create vibration. Wire. It is a good conductor. Current pass through it. LED. It has two terminals and two filaments. It is used as eye of the robot. Aluminium rod. It is used as leg of the robot. Let us see how to connect the robot. We need to connect the positive terminal of the battery to a one side of switch and negative terminal of the battery to the negative side of the motor. And we need to connect the positive side of the motor to the one side of switch. And we need to connect the resistor to a negative side of the bulb. And we need to connect it in motor positive. And we need to connect the positive side of the LEDs to a battery. Thank you. Let us see how our robot is working. Thank you, friends.
My name is Yan Takshan. I am studying in 6th A. I have made a project named as Pin or Drawing Machine. I have taken reference from the lesson Electricity and Circuit. The components I have used here are a high watt battery, a switch, a motor and a wheel. The negative terminal of the battery is connected directly to the motor. The positive terminal of the battery is connected to the motor through a switch. A switch is a device which opens or closes an electric circuit. When we on the switch, the circuit closes and the electricity flows through the motor. Thus, motor starts and the wheel spins. Let's see the working model. I have stick the double side tape in a cardboard to stick it on the wheel.
I'm going to switch.
I am placing the sketch on the cardboard to make the art look nice. I am using different colors to give the art a texture.
எடுத்து ஸ்டாப் பண்ணு. Go ahead.
This is the sample art I have made with my project. I have made some of these using different colors. We can enhance it with free hands to make the art more beautiful. Thank you.
I am Shashank from 6th grade. I am going to tell about light travels in straight line. First, take a piece of pipe, candle and rubber tube. Light the candle. Look the pipe, the candle. The candle is visible. Now take a rubber tube, make it bend and see through the rubber tube. The candle is not visible. This proves the light travels in a straight line. The the candle is the candle is visible because the straight pipe. Now the candle is not visible because of the bent pipe. The light travels in straight line. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shailesh from 6th Standard A section in Marg Vidhyalaya. My project is about noun and its type. Let's see it detailed. A noun is a naming word. It can be a person, place, things, animal or an idea. Let's see few example of each one. Person example, doctor and police. Place example, Salem and Chennai. Things example, pen, pencil and banana. Animal example, dog and cat. Idea example, love and hate. Let's see types of noun. Common noun. A noun that is a noun that refers to person or things in general. Example of person is boy. Example of things is car. Example of animal is dog. Example of place is country. Abstract noun. It is a noun which refers to idea, qualities and conditions. Things that cannot be seen or touched. For example, joy, love, sorrow and happy. Proper noun. A proper noun is a name that identifies a particular person, place or things by its name. Example of person is Bumrah. Example of things is Fevicol. Example of animal is puppy. Example of place is Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminal, India. Collective noun. Collective noun refers to a group of person or things. For example, flock of birds, forest of trees, pack of cards. Material noun. It refers to the matter, material or substance with which things are made. Example, bangle is made up of gold, where gold is material noun. Coin is made up of silver, where silver is material noun. Pencil is made up of wood, where wood is material noun. Car and ball is made up of plastic, where plastic is material noun. Thank you.
Hi, I am Nikita. I am going to explain about electric generator. Things required: CD drive, DC motor, LED, rubber band and a piece of wood. When we rotate and turn the handle of the generator will rotate in the magnetic field. This spinning generator will generate a current in coil which will light up the LED. The generator will work in only one direction. The rubber band passing in the electric field and the coil is supplying current to the LED. Thank you.
Good morning all. I am Drishana here. I am studying in 6th grade in Marg Vidhyalaya school. Today I am here to talk about a main thing which plays a main role in our body. Can you guess it? Yes, it is nothing but food. Food has a component which is known as nutrients. There are 5 major nutrients. I will explain about the 5 major nutrients and their examples. Let's see about a short note on nutrients. Nutrients are components in food. They are essential for our body and life. They give us energy and they are the building blocks for repair and growth. As I said you, there are 5 major nutrients. They are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Let's see about carbohydrates first. Carbohydrates are energy giving foods. They give us energy. They are sugar, starch and fibers. They are present in dairy foods, grains, vegetables and fruits. Some examples of carbohydrates are potato, corn, rice, wheat and etc. Now let's see about fats. Fats are also energy giving foods, but they give us energy more than carbohydrates. But over intake of fats leads to obesity. Some examples of fats are butter, ghee, oil, nuts and etc. Let's see about proteins. Proteins helps us in repairing tissues. Even they help us in growth. Protein comes under bodybuilding foods. Some examples of protein are egg, meat, fish, chicken, milk and etc. Next we are going to see about vitamins. Vitamins are protective foods. They build us immunity. The best examples of vitamins are fruits and vegetables. There are some groups in vitamins. They are vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D and more. Now let's see about minerals. Minerals are needed in very small amounts. Each one of the minerals gives us different types of energy. Some examples of minerals are calcium, iron, iodine, potassium, phosphorus and etc. Low or over intake of nutrients lead to some deficiency diseases, but proper intake of nutrients are known as balanced diet. We all will follow balanced diet and we will be healthy. Health first.
Hi, I am Jesus of grade 6. In this pandemic situation, the most common product is used in our daily life is mask and sanitizer. Mask either we wash or get a new one, but sanitizer nothing can be done. We have to use it constantly. But alcohol present in it is a skin irritant, which disrupts your natural oil production, which causing both dry and flaky skin. What to do? I have a solution for it. We can make our own sanitizer in our home with the natural products. The things we needed are aloe vera, lemon juice, turmeric powder, coconut oil, rose water and water. Take the gel from the aloe vera, leaving out the top skin and the thorns, and grind it in the mixer and filter it. Then add some rose water for fragrance. Now the homemade sanitizer has been ready. But how about the sanitizer used in public places? I have a solution for it also. Automatic hand sanitizer. I have made it using a plastic container, mortar, battery and IR sensor. Once we bring our hand to the nozzle, the IR sensor senses and sends the signal to the motor to dispense sanitizer. The homemade sanitizer is ready. Isn't it good? Thank you.
Hi, I am Shedlin Jenika. I am studying 6th grade. Today I am going to explain about what is fire alarm and where it is used. Fire alarm are designed to alert us to a fire accident emergency so that we can protect ourselves. A fire alarm system is an active fire protection system that controls all fire alarm modules in a building. Fire alarms are found in hotels, factories, offices and in many public buildings. They are part of our everyday routine but often overlooked until there is an emergency. Now I am going to give a demonstration on how fire alarm works. These are the material which I use for my fire alarm project. An 9-watt battery, a switch, a buzzer, a sensor to sense the heat. Now when I heat the sensor, the alarm starts giving the sound to indicate the fire. Now you can see that the buzzer is giving sound. Thank you.
Hello all, respected madam and my beloved friends. I am going to say the topic of condensation. Now let's start the activity. First we have to take a glass and add some ice cubes into it. Wait for few seconds and we will notice some water droplets on the outer surface of iced glass. How do this occurs? The surface of the ice water contained glass cools down the surrounded air. The water in air becomes droplets. Similar things happen in formation of clouds. This process is called condensation.
Hi, my name is Kamlesh. Today I am going to tell you about the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process where the plants take their food by the sunlight, carbon dioxide gases and the water. In this process, first they get their water from through the roots and the stem. Then they absorb the sunlight through the leaves and carbon dioxide through the stomata, which is under the leaf and a part of a leaf. Then the chlorophyll is a green substance in the leaves which make a leaf green and prepares the food for the plant. When they prepare the food will be passes all through the plants and the oxygen will be exhaled by the stomata which is under in the leaf. The remaining food are called starch which saved in a different part of a plant. Thank you.